So this was the end of day one. It'll be the start of day two. He has this thing nice, and I mean that there he has in perfect. So today's project is the back of the bank. We got to dig a little bit out to give us some room in the back there. I don't know about anybody else, but I like a little bit of room to be able to at least walk behind, if not drive behind the building for whatever reason. So we're going to clean that out a little more, give them a little more room to build the pole barn. And then the other part of the project is to the right side of the container there. That has to be leveled. Then that container is going to be pushed closer to that bank over there. So that's today's project. Should just take a couple more hours and we should have the leveling up done here. I'll get back when that's done, and then after that, hopefully I can take a few videos or do some videos while they're putting the pole barn up, but that will be up to the company that's doing the pole barn. If not, when it's all up and done, I'll walk through it and show you what's been done. Okay. So started day two, got somebody else running my backhoe, which is okay. Digging out around the back there. Then we'll clean around the container over here on the right hand side and move that over. Okay, so the containers moved. I think we got that on film. This is pretty much getting to the end of day 2, I'd say. We're shooting grade now to see what it needs, but man, it ought to be, everything's coming in pretty close, so ought to be ready to set the poles for the pole barn when they're ready to do it.